Ever tried to game or work remotely and ended up staring at a blurry, laggy screen because of your Nvidia GPU? Let's get you back into a smooth remote session first. We'll tackle driver issues on your remote Windows 10 PC. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then click the application with that name. In Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. You should see your Nvidia GPU listed there. If there's a yellow triangle or exclamation mark, you have a driver problem. Right-click on your Nvidia GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will try to find and install the latest driver. If it finds a new one, let it install. If that doesn't work, or to get extra assurance, update drivers manually by going to the Nvidia website. Search for your GPU model drivers on Google and download the latest driver. Install it, following the on-screen instructions. Reboot after installation. Now, let's check remote desktop settings. From the Start menu, type Remote Desktop Connection and click the program. When it appears, click Show Options. Select the Display tab. Under Display Configuration, ensure the color depth is set to at least high color 16-bit, but preferably higher 32-bit for enhanced visuals. Consider unchecking Use All My Monitors for the remote session if you are experiencing graphic issues. Next, under the Experience tab, uncheck the Persistent Bitmap Caching box. This can sometimes impede graphics performance. If you are finding any issue, then consider adjusting the connection speed to lower bandwidth settings. After completing these steps, reconnect to your remote session. Your Nvidia GPU should function much better, providing an improved visual experience. If you still have issues, ensure your local machine has the latest drivers installed to success.